My name is Amy, and today I'm going to show you how to do a DIY pixie cut. I've never done it before, but it actually turned out really well, and it was really easy. I have to say, my hairstylist was out of town, and my hair was just going crazy. That's my dog, Cooper. I'm in a really weird spot, but I was trying to find like good lighting where you could actually see my hair in the picture. My bathroom's really dark. So, step one was parting my hair, and that actually took a long time to get it just right. And you'll see I have a fast forward video of this, but I kind of want to explain what's going on. So I parted it here, and exactly the same part on the other side, and then in the back it just kind of goes straight across, so it just comes together and across. So that's super important. I mean, that's obviously the hair that's going to be longer. All right, step two. I took these clippers, my husband's clippers, and I kind of wish the sides were longer, but the longest one I had was 22 millimeters, 7/8 of an inch. But if I had longer, I probably would. But pixie hairs grow really fast, so whatever. Okay, so I kept my hand over here, and you'll see, just went at it for a long time, all the way around, go over and over and over so you get all the hairs. When I was done with that, you'll see really quickly that I cut around my ears. Instead of just cutting like this and get a kind of a weird blunt cut, you're gonna cut kind of up like this. So it's a little bit more feathered, just kind of a like more blends in a little bit better. My hair in the back is like a little bit long and wispy. I don't have a solution for that because that's just as short as I could get it with my little zippers. Maybe have help for that. Okay, then the longer part, what I did was I sectioned it off. I probably should have done smaller sections, but I did like 1/2 inch sections. So I'd part straight across and I'd hold this up. Okay. And I guess initially you could cut if it's really long, big chunks off. But again, in order not to have like weird blunt cuts, you're supposed to cut down like that, which was a little tricky. I have no recommendations on that. Just kind of go for it because, again, I'm not a hairstylist. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos before I did it. But anyway, so then part again, part again. If you want your hair my length, I suppose, it like basically kind of goes to the tip of my nose, that part. And I think the front might be a little bit longer. And then this is, I don't know, whatever that is, that length, like 3 inches or something. So, there you have it. Save a little bit of money. I do recommend going to the hairstylist for sure, like once every few times, just to get it like all pretty and shaped up again. But man, you can really like keep this thing going for a long time on your own. I hope you enjoy this video. Finally, I did 2 things. You could probably use any hair stuff. This again was my husband's, just sitting around. Axe, messy look, flexible paste. I have one style where you just put it through and piece it out. I actually, with this one, I just hair dried it straightish and then started from the back and just curled it chunks forward like that. You know what I mean? Like going both directions. So just shot them forward, and I did this about a few hours ago. So after that, it kind of tamed down a little bit. That's what you get. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, good luck. Send me your pictures.